Hey YouTube, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. I got this pearl necklace from Vitaly, an online jewelry store. I've been looking to pick up a pearl necklace for a while now. I'm starting to see pearls trend again, and I've seen them as prominent features in some of the famous fashion houses, on their runways and in their jewelry collections. I think they're a really unique piece, and relative to other chains, I think they sort of bring an element of classiness to a fit, which I think is really cool. Personally, my inspiration came from the music industry, specifically rap. So I've seen the likes of MGK, A$AP Rocky, Pharrell, and even Justin Bieber rock the pearl necklace, and I think they look really cool. So I'll show you guys a close-up right now on the screen. Anyway guys, so here's a close-up of the pearl necklace. It's called a koya on Vitaly's website. A koya is a type of Japanese pearl that's known for its superb luster and perfectly round shape. Now I don't know if these are authentic koya pearls. In fact, I put my money on the fact that they're the opposite. But nonetheless, I think it's a great chain. It's made really well, and I trust the craftsmanship of Vitaly. I was looking for something with a bit more variance, something that was not just a plain bland pearl necklace. I think Vitaly's really done a good job here. So it's half stainless steel beads and half pearls, of course. So in terms of sizing, the necklace is about 50 centimeters in length. It fits sort of like a princess chain, if that makes sense. It's the classification. It sits just a bit looser than a choker would. And yeah, it's a really nice chain. You can wear it sort of under a shirt or over a shirt, sort of depends on preference. I'm sure if you're looking for something a bit more subtle, you can put it under a shirt. But I'll show you what it looks like on me in a second. Okay, so over here I have the koya chain on. I actually have two chains on. I have a choker and I have the koya chain. So I wanted to show you guys the contrast between the two chains. So the choker sits, obviously closer to the neck, and then we have the koya chain that sits just above the collarbone here. Now you can layer this pretty easily. As you can tell, it's already layered pretty simply here, but you can add a third chain on like this. Yeah, so yeah, the third chain on here. I'll just back up a little bit so you guys can see it. Yeah, just a simple pendant that will go down sort of to just below the chest. So yeah, just some really simple layering over here that you can simply do. Now, I would recommend wearing some silver necklaces with the koya chain, just because it's half stainless steel, unless you get the other variant of the koya chain, which is gold. Or if it has gold accents, I mean, that could work too. But yeah, that's how I wear it. Anyway guys, so that's how I style the pearl necklace. I would highly recommend this pearl necklace. If you're looking for something to mix up your fits, or something that's a bit more of a statement piece, this is a great pickup. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace and love, baby.